Same drill, different chart. What do you see here? Can someone describe it? Yes, there are two groups. What is each dot? Yes, each dot represents the upload and download speed of a specific internet service provider, okay? And somebody has also grouped them into slow ISPs and fast ISPs, right? Cutting diagonally, I would roughly separate one group from the other, okay? So that's also a straight line, but what I'm doing here now, it's different. I'm predicting the boundary between two classes. I'm not predicting a number, okay? And it's called a classification. I see a lot of you nodding, that's great. So that's when you have an output space, the prediction is discrete. A, B, yes, no, true, false, okay? That's a classification.